Welcome back to the 6th Daily Dale.
We've got a lot of exciting things for you in today's episode.
I hope you're hungry because we do talk a lot about Thanksgiving, so
enjoy! Hi guys, welcome back to sports. So some sport updates is the girls had their first game on Friday that they sadly lost by 3, but they have a game against Smithville on Tuesday and a game against Lucas on Saturday. The boys had a scrimmage last Saturday, which I think they did pretty well at. So yeah, that's all for sports this week. Thanks for watching. Hey Keegan, are you excited for Thanksgiving?
I am.
So there's one question of the day. Turkey
Ham.
or ham?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm here with,
Mr. Locker.
and what's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Turkey.
Okay. What's your favorite tradition that you do every year?
Every year
Just whatever.
for Thanksgiving. We celebrate it differently than here. I grew up, and what they had to do is we had to bring food in on Sunday, the Thanksgiving Sunday, and the food was distributed to orphanages, old people homes, and stuff like that.
Perfect. And then I also have one more question. Turkey or ham?
Turkey.
All right, I'm here with.
Mrs. Stack,
And what is your favorite Thanksgiving food?
probably stuffing.
And what is a tradition you guys always do?
Well, we all get together as an entire family. We used to write what we were thankful for on the tablecloth, paper tablecloth. And we also used to, although we don't do anymore, make little homemade place settings of some sort, turkeys or something with everybody's name on it.
Turkey or ham?
Turkey, all the way.
I'm here with.
Landon Thomas.
And what's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Probably turkey.
Turkey. So that answers my question. Turkey or ham?
No.
Okay. And then what's your favorite Thanksgiving tradition?
Probably eating food.
Perfect. Thank you.
All right, I'm here with.
Mrs. Mowry.
And what is your favorite Thanksgiving food?
I like pumpkin roll.
That is good. What is a tradition that you guys do?
We get together with my aunt, with all my family, and we have fellowship, and I get to see all my cousins.
That's really cool. Turkey or ham?
Turkey, definitely.
Awesome.
And what is your favorite Thanksgiving tradition?
We have a pre-Thanksgiving tradition where we go to West Side Market in Cleveland and we shop at a place called Rita's that has a ton of pickles and stuffed pepperoncinis and olives that have like peanuts in them and meat and cheeses, and we buy a ton of that stuff. Then we eat our meal, and then I usually go downstairs and slip into a nice, happy food coma.
Cool. Speaking of food, what's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
We do a turducken, which is a combination chicken and duck inside of a turkey.
Wow. Well, turkey or ham?
The turducken, you got to have all three.
Okay, thank you.
All right, I'm here with.
Gareford.
And what is your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Probably mashed potatoes and turkey.
All right, so turkey or ham?
Turkey.
Okay. Is there a tradition that you do every year?
Green bean casserole.
JD Fox.
And what's your favorite Thanksgiving tradition?
Thanksgiving break, probably.
That's a good one. What's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
I'd have to go with turkey.
Turkey, so turkey or ham?
Ham.
Oh, okay, thank you.
All right, I'm here with.
Mr. Shank.
And what is your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Oh, stuffing and gravy by far.
Okay. What is a tradition that you do at Thanksgiving?
Eat lots of food and then fall asleep watching football.
Perfect. Turkey or ham?
Turkey.
Okay.
I'm here with.
Trenton Houchin. Blake Schwan.
Clarissa Byler.
What's your guys' favorite Thanksgiving meal?
My grandma's.
Okay.
Probably mashed potatoes.
Pumpkin pie.
And then what is, like, your opinion, turkey or ham?
Ham. Ham.
Ham.
Perfect, thank you.
We're bringing you guys a new segment this week, and it's Cooking with Grace.
They're cooking some pretty good cookies.
Yeah, there's a lot of good flavors out there. Have you ever taken one of her classes?
I do not, but I do have global foods on the next semester, so.
If you haven't taken one of her classes, you definitely should.
Welcome to my class. Today we're doing our first time at making cookies since we just started our baking unit, and because it's the pumpkin season, I gave each of the groups options of either doing regular chocolate chip cookies or regular snickerdoodle cookies, or doing a chocolate chip pumpkin and a snickerdoodle pumpkin. So this is probably about the 12th lab we've done this year. So they've had lots of experience in the kitchen cooking and making pasta and doing meat dishes, but this is our first baking experience. So thanks for coming in today. Okay, Mikey, ready to roll?
How's the weather been outside?
You know, honestly, it's been a little cold and kind of snowy.
Yeah, Friday it snowed pretty bad, so.
Let's take you to weather with Keegan, Jackson, Claudia.
Amazing.
Jax, Keegan, and Claudia here with the weather report, and it's kind of cold. And it's snowing.
The high is 28 degrees and the low is 21. No, the real feel is 21. Thank you.
Hey, Keegan, did you see all of our friends are in DC?
Yeah, it looks like they're having a lot of fun.
I think they vlogged some of it.
Let's watch it.
Good morning, guys.
Hi guys.
It is 5:51 in the morning, and we are about to take off and head to DC.
Yep, see you soon.
Okay, guys, it's 2:06.
Yep.
And we are currently at the monument of Iwo Jima. So we just stopped, and we're just gonna take some pictures and then get back on the bus.
Happy birthday, dear Joe. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, guys.
Hey.
It's like 10:30. This is our last stop before we head home from DC.
Yep.
We stopped at Mount Vernon to see George Washington's house. So we'll put in a little clip of his house.
Yep. Enjoy.
We hope you enjoyed the 6th daily day of the year.
Have an amazing Thanksgiving break and eat lots of food.